Well, everybody, today I'm going to do a very relatively simple task. A lot of times I do these, like changing windshield wipers and so forth, and I get a lot of flack for it, but I also get a lot of views because I think a lot of people want stuff like this. So I'm going to do it. You can be negative or you can be positive about it. It really doesn't matter to me, but I want to try and help some people out, and sometimes people are can't think of the word, but you know, they're overwhelmed by their vehicles, so they think they have to take them to the dealer for everything. I'm going to show you today how to add windshield wiper fluid. Now, it seems pretty simple, but some people may not know where it's at, so I'm going to do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any interest or if you need help, and for everybody else that, you know, wants to be negative about stuff, you don't have to watch. I appreciate it. Again, thanks for all the views. So in order to put windshield washer fluid in, you need to be low, number one. Number two, you have to have windshield washer fluid, and then you have to put it in this container. Now, like I said, it seems pretty straightforward. You know, if somebody needs a little bit of help, I appreciate giving it to them. So simply open the valve or the cap, put a hole in this, gotta put a hole in there, and then I'm gonna try and pour it without making a giant freaking mess. And you actually get a dash warning if your windshield washer fluid's low, so pretty amazing how they have made it to let you know prior to it actually going out that you have an issue. And as you can tell, it takes a whole gallon minus what I spilled. So there you go. That's how you fill your windshield wiper fluid reservoir. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you can use this. If not, you know, but it's pretty simple. You can see where the window washer fluid is, the reservoir is, and it takes absolutely nothing to do. So I think the washer fluid is $2.99. So if you run out in between oil changes or whatever, this is how you do it, and you can save a couple bucks rather than taking to the dealer. So anyways, thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it, and keep on watching, liking, and subscribing. Have a great day.